Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 245 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to open the menu, and to do it simply press and hold the up button. After a second or two the menu should open, and now you can use the down button to scroll down and select the option called alarm clock. Once you select alarm clock, press the start button to enter. And as you can see here we have this big option called add alarm. So press the start button to add new alarm. Now we can customize the alarm. We have the time option. If you select it and press start button, you will be able to set the time on which the alarm should go off. And you can use the up and down buttons to adjust the hours. Then you can press the start to go 2 minutes and adjust the minutes. And once you're done with the minutes, press start, adjust the AM and PM, and then press start and start again to confirm. Once you're done with the time, you can scroll down, select the option called repeat, and then press start. And here we have a couple of options. We have off, if this option option is selected, basically the alarm will go off once and it won't repeat. But you can also select daily. If you select this option, the alarm will go off every day. If you select weekdays, it will go off on weekdays. If you select weekends, it will go off on weekends. And if you select custom, you can select specific days. So if you select custom, press start. You can then select the day, press start to enable it or disable it. So for example, I can enable Sundays and Wednesdays, and then I can go back and the alarm will repeat on Sundays and Wednesdays. Then we can scroll down, select the sounds, and we have option called time, tone and vibration. But if you press start, you can select tone only, vibration only, or both. Select the one you like and press start. Then we have backlight. You can enable it or disable it when the alarm goes off. And at the bottom we have label, and you can assign the label to the alarm. You can select something like wake up, workout, and stuff like that. And once you're done customizing your alarm, you can press the back button to go back to the alarms menu, and here we have it. You can turn it on and off by selecting the alarm, pressing start button, and then changing the status to off by pressing the start and going back to turn it off, and the same thing to turn it on. You can also have multiple alarms, so we can add another one like that. And you can also remove the alarms. So we can select one, press start button, scroll down, find the option called delete, press start button to remove it. And once you're done setting up the alarms, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face, and on the watch face you will see that the alarm is active right here by this icon. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.